Hey guys, Mr. Smock here. Hope you guys are doing really well. I just wanted to show you what's going on with music this week. And this week's theme is going to be rhythm. So today you should have a new lesson, new assignment. And today's assignment is simply watch the rhythm episode and then fill out the exit ticket. You just tell me how you're feeling. And then if you saw today's lesson and this week's materials, that way it lets me know that you've seen it and that I know I've reached out to you in some way, that you've gotten the materials. Let's take a look at what tomorrow is. For tomorrow, you can just play this game where you can decide whether or not Bob is doing the same rhythm pattern as Dylan. And then here are some different what they call QLib rhythms, and where they have to fill in the blanks on what the correct answer is. I have level 1, level 2. You can even do a game about it, and even level 3. Let's see for Wednesday. Wednesday, I have the Triplet Song, which is a fun song that I think is pretty catchy. And then a reminder of what triplets are all about. So if I'm on a screen like this and you want to get over here, you just click on that next screen. And remember that a triplet lands on one beat. So it's like triplet, 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 triplet. Triplet, ta, ta, ta. And then you can try clapping those out and then figure out some of the other ones as well. And then here is a rhythm selector that has triplets involved. So you can say elephant foot, and see if you can figure out what the rhythm is. Triplet 2, triplet 4, triplet 3, 4. Grasshopper, grasshopper, hip, hop. And then you have some other options over here as well. And then you could try doing that, clapping it, and saying it to a beat. Let's check it out for Thursday. So for Thursday, what I'm going to have you do is you are going to create something, and when you are done, you are going to save it. Let's see. And then the same thing with QStrum. You're going to create something, and then you're going to save it. Let me give you an example of how to use Q Backbeat Light. So if I were to create something, I'd go here, then here, then here, then here, and then here, and then I'd play. Then if I wanted to save it, I could save it. My new composition, whatever you could call it. Beard beat. Ugh. And then next, QStrum. QStrum, you can take either beginner, ukulele, acoustic, rock, jazz guitars to jazz. Why not? And then you could also go here. I can go electric, but I'll go fuzzy. And if I want to, I can create different patterns. You can use different chords. So if I wanted to come over here and just maybe throw these patterns in here, I can press play. Or if I wanted to get rid of some of these and I wanted to change it to something different. Oops. And if you wanted to throw in another line of guitar, you could. If you want to change the tempo, you can. So any of those things, and then when you're done, you can save it. I don't know. All All right. And then the same thing with Q grooves. You want to create something. I'm sure you're familiar with this. You can create something, and then you can save it as well. So, for our example, you can choose a different style. Let's go to Latin, and I want to make a piano sound. I can go to piano sound. And you can also change up the sound as well, the key that you're using. And then when you're done, you can save that as well. Save. And the reason why I'd like you to save it is because, oh, I already did. That's right. Q grooves. The reason why I want you to save it is because there's probably going to be a future assignment where I'm going to have you submit these things, and I get to listen to them and maybe even be able to share them with you guys. I don't know if you can hear the wind, but the wind is crazy here today. Crazy. And for Friday, it's just a quirky quiz based on the episode that you watched on Monday. So if you need to go back to Monday and watch the episode, go ahead, and then you can start the quiz. And then that's it. All right? I hope you guys are doing really well. I miss you guys a lot. And stay safe. And hopefully I'll see you guys soon.